Hello, welcome to our YouTube video show. Think with the chance, find the difference. This is Carl. Nice to meet you.
Hi, this is Roy. Nice to meet you guys. Today we're talking about salmon. As we all know, salmon is the most popular species in the world. People like it very much. Do you like it, Carl?
Yeah, I like it.
Yes, of course. It's very delicious. And also, as we know, the salmon farming it were beginning in 1980s in North Europe and Chile, and it's been very successful now. But it does not mean this industry is becoming perfect. So it still have the money problems to restrict our industry development. As we know, salmon is an ancient fish species. So it also has the old enemies, which is carnivores. The salmon was reproduced in the wild like thousands of years, and the lice, the carnivores were not very serious problem for them before. However, with the salmon farming development, after we put a large number of the salmon in the very small cage, the lice has laid the huge damage to this industry. Lice is a kind of the parasite, it's very small, like this, which has 8 development stages. Their life cycle follows the temperatures. Usually, it's in 7 months. The reproductive abilities is very strong, with 500 to 1,000 eggs on each, like the left and right tails. It have the 2 tails. So if the temperature was good, so it will be start breeding in 16 days after it bursts. So this parasite is mainly eats the teeth and blood of the salmon, which can reduce the immune functions of the salmon. Infections like the Vibrio and Salmonella and so on, and reduce the growth performance of the salmon, which means the salmon can't grow up bigger, very small like this. Yes, and also it can lead to the big mortalities because usually is according studies, some salmons they have carry like the 30 to 40 cities in the bodies. Yeah, it's very serious. Try to think, even the humans, like the flying mosquitoes, like 30 or 40 mosquitoes sting us. It's very terrible, right? It's same with the salmons. So the cities can cause like the 100, it's like the $1 million lose to the salmon industries every year.
Wow, $1 billion. This is a huge loss.
Yes.
Is there any way we can solve this problem?
Yes, currently we have some method for these problems, like use a chemical method to deal with lice, such as the piglets, the benzoluros, and the alpha flu, and something and other products. However, it also leads some problems, such like the reduce the salmon feed intake and slower growth performance and high mortality. Of course, the biggest problems is not like this, it's the resistance. Therefore, at the present, the various farming companies are looking for the new solutions to solve this problem because we find the old way to serve the cities can't work very good anymore.
Yeah.
It was like some chemical product. It was working can working like the 1 year, but now we should face they lose its functions and they only can work in 1 month. So this is very heavy problems. So now the most popular ways for us is farming without some chemicals to use some alternative products, which means the nitro product is more forward to the farmers. Yes.
Yes. So, do you have relevant information to introduce to us?
Yes. At present, people generally like some natural products, as I just mentioned, such like the eucalyptus oil. For examples, the Eucabiotics is very popular insect repellent product. We have used it now in Asia and in the some other countries. This product is from Australia's Eucalyptus polybractes.
Wow, that's awesome. Can you explain more information about this product for us?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
As we all know, the cholera in Australia never had the parasite problems. The reason is why they can do this is they eat the eucalyptus leaves for the main food source. The Australian peoples to discover these parasitemals and use the eucalyptus leaves as some medicines to repel to kill the parasite and and some like the thousands of years. This is many different kind of the eucalyptus, like the 100 of them. Yeah, very big species. Yeah. It's after experiment, we have found the eucalyptus polybractes, which grow up at Bacteriastat, Australia. It contains more effective ingredients, such like the cyanures, which can reach 84 to 87%. This is very high. Usually, it's content like the 30% or 20%. And this is very effective against the parasite. Like based on this result, we have launched our new product, Eucabiotics. The main ingredients of Eucabiotics is definitely one 8 centimeters, and which make it more target for the parasite, so it can be used for long times, not like the 1 or 2 years. 1/8 centimeters, what 1/8 centimeter can do? 1/8 centimeters can inhibit the activity of the acetylcholinesterase and destroy the membranes of the structures of the parasites and protect the membranes and organelle membranes and cut off the parasite energy source to make it leave the salmon bodies. In other words, they will start to die. And meanwhile, the cyanure can destroy the cell membranes of bacteria, increase the pairing abilities of the cells, and cause the leakage of the substances inside of the cells. thereby to inhibit the growth and reproductions of the bacteria. Eucabiotics has a significantly inhibit effect of the harmful bacteria, which common can found in the aquacultures, such like the viburnums and the viburnum harvest and salmonellas and so on. And at the same time, eucalyptus oil can also to approved by the European Union's certifications, which means it's very safety to use. It's no hurt to the salmons and other aquacultures.
Okay, thank you, Roy. This is really an amazing product. I believe that with this product, our salmon farming will definitely get a better result. And where we can buy it?
Actually, yes, you can buy it in 40 countries. And like in Chile, Australia, Norway, we also have the agency in it. And there, so you can buy it on just leave your message in the comment area and leave your email or your phone number, and our agent will connect with you. And also we have the local stocks and to can provide the product to you in like the 1 week.
Yeah.
And this is the information we want to share with you today. Please continually to pay attention to our channel, to remember, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So you can never miss the information we share with you.
Yeah.
Okay.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye. Have a nice time.
A good day.